Understanding Beadwork Jewelry, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of beadwork jewelry. This topic not only enhances your English vocabulary but also introduces you to a beautiful form of art. So, let's dive in and learn about what beadwork jewelry is and why it's so special. Beadwork jewelry is a type of accessory made by stringing together beads. These beads can be made of various materials like glass, wood, metal, or even plastic. The key element here is the creativity and technique used to weave these beads into intricate designs. It's a traditional craft practiced in many cultures around the world, each with its unique style. Beadwork jewelry isn't just a fashion statement, it's a piece of history and culture. This section will delve into how beadwork jewelry has been a part of many ancient civilizations, often used to signify status, identity, or cultural heritage. We'll explore examples from Native American tribes, African communities, and even ancient Egypt. There are numerous techniques in beadwork, each offering a different aesthetic. Some popular techniques include loom beading, peyote stitch, and brick stitch. We will describe each technique briefly and show how they contribute to the overall design of the jewelry. In this section, we will introduce specific terms related to beadwork jewelry. Words like threading, clasp, seed beads, and crimp beads are essential in understanding the craft. This vocabulary will not only help you appreciate beadwork jewelry more but also enhance your English language skills. Here, we'll give a basic introduction to making simple beadwork jewelry. This is a great way for learners to practically engage with the new vocabulary and concepts they've learned. We'll go through the basic materials needed and a simple project to get started. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the colorful and intricate world of beadwork jewelry. I hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you an appreciation for this beautiful art form. Keep practicing your English, and perhaps try making your own beadwork jewelry too. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and every step counts. See you in the next video.